Drifters, and welcome back to a brand new travel vlog. This trip I have the absolute honor of bringing my mother along with me. Now this trip has been on our bucket list since I was about 10 years old, so I am uber pumped about being here. So we hopped a flight from Dallas, Texas. It was about a 3-hour flight from Dallas to Calgary. Once we got to Calgary, we rented a car. It was about an hour-and-a-half drive up here to Banff. We checked into our hotel at the Moose Hotel and Suites, grabbed a bite to eat at a pizza joint just right around the corner, and we headed off for our first hike. Now for our first hike, we decided we were going to do Johnston Canyon because it is very close to town. It's about a 30-minute drive from Banff, and it's a very short hike, very easy, something to get started. The hike itself is about 1.2 kilometers, and it's divided into 2 trails, the upper falls and the lower falls. The lower falls you can get to in about 45 minutes, up and back, and the upper falls, it takes about, I don't know, about 15-20 more minutes to get to the upper falls and about 20 minutes back. So total, you're probably going to spend about 2 hours here, but it's a very easy hike. As you can see, it's paved gravel and walkways, very easy walkways throughout the entire hike. So fully recommend it, even if you get into town a little bit late. The good thing about right now in June in Banff is that it doesn't even get dark until about 10 o'clock. So for right now, we are going to knock out this hike of Johnston Canyon. We'll be headed back to the hotel. We're gonna change, get ready for dinner. We have dinner reservations at 9 p.m. at Waldhaus Restaurant. I believe that is in the Fairmont Hotel. And I am super pumped to bring you guys along with us throughout these 5 days here in Banff. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, we are just finishing up our dinner here at Waldhaus Restaurant. That was a spectacular meal. I had the ribeye steak and my mom had the schnitzel, as appropriate for a German restaurant. But for the end of the night, it is just about 10 o'clock and it is still a little bit of sunlight out, so we're going to go up to the Fairmont Hotel, check that out for a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is a full moon back behind me right now. So it's really cool out here. I mean, 10 o'clock at night and the sun is pretty much still super bright on the other side of the mountain, and then you got the full moon on this side of the mountain. Spectacular views. But anyway, so for the end of the night, we're gonna go up here and check out the Fairmont Hotel. Just figured it was appropriate to do since we were here. And then after that, we're gonna take a shuttle or take a shuttle back down to the car. We'll head back to the hotel, get a good night's rest because we have a long hike tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we're gonna go up here and take a look at the Fairmont Hotel and see what you guys think.